się Paweł Buczek z kanału Na Muchę. Jestem na rezerwuarze Llyn Clywedog. Ze mną jest mój kolega John. Hi John!
How you doing, bud? Right?
Any takes?
One take on an orange with a gold head, and that's all so far.
Okay.
There are fish here, but we just can't seem to get them interested.
Yeah, I know. We just started, so who knows? Who knows?
Never know.
Who knows? Alright, tie the line, mate.
This is Llyn Clywedog, and there's Mr. Buchak, just been having a look. It's far bigger than he's used to, and in a bit, yeah, there's fish jumping, he's happy. Well boys, we come to Llyn Clywedog today, up by Llanidlws, and we're fishing one of my favourite reservoirs. This is just the one leg of it. We're going to fish the bank today, but down there at the lodge you can get boats, 2-man boats. It's £26 to fish, and then you pay, I think it's £12 each for the boat. But we're staying on the bank because this time of year when the reservoir's so full, you can do just as well off the bank.
Would you tell me a little bit more about this Clywedog place?
I've been coming here for about 30 years on and off. I used to fish it back when they didn't have motors on the boats and we had to row.
So, well, you can rent a boat in here, I know that. How much they cost? That's £68, isn't it?
You pay for your ticket, which is 26 I think, and then
Yes.
between the two of you, I think you pay £12 each.
Extra.
Yeah, for the boats, but they got engines on nowadays.
And it's unlimited, or you just go with for a whole day if you like?
All day. Well, they shut just before dark, so at the moment they'll be shutting at 6:30 or 7. And on all your tickets you can keep 6 fish.
I know you got the unlimited access here. How much there was? £380.
£385 for all year.
And you rent any time. So do you need a call to book appointment, or just coming in?
No. The only time you got to call ahead is if it's going to be a busy weekend like this weekend and you want a boat. Yeah. So then you have to phone up.
Yeah,
and
it's
book
Easter weekend now, so I know it will be well busy all over the places, probably not only here but all over it.
The weather's good?
Yeah, it is. Yeah. Right, tie the lines.
Cheers, bud.
That is a massive one. Woo! This escaped. Oh my god. John, I need your help, mate. Holy god. That is a big one. Oh. Hold on, he's coming here.
Oh no!
He's gone. There was a big one.
It was.
Llyn Clywedog, jakieś 20 minut od radar. Bardzo fajne miejsce. No niestety pogoda nas nie rozpieszcza, deszcz leje. Ale i tak bardzo fajne miejsce. 26 funtów kosztowało tu wejście. Ponad 4000 pstrągów wpuszczają każdego tygodnia tutaj. Oprócz tego można sobie wynająć łódkę, dokładnie w tamtym miejscu można sobie wynająć taką łódkę dwuosobową i pływać sobie łódką, tak jak tamci ludzie. O, właśnie widziałem, jak ryba skoczyła. Może mi się tam uda rzucić, zanim odpłynie. O, właśnie tam. No, w końcu się udało złowić jakąś rybę. John, come in. The rules are you're not allowed to take a brown trout with you, so we let him go. We let him go. It was beautiful fish. Bye. Thank you for help.
Okay, mate.
zadowolony. Złapałem pierwszego brązowego pstrąga w tym roku. Potwór wielki, naprawdę wielki potwór. Jestem bardzo, bardzo szczęśliwy z tego powodu. Chyba następny pstrąg brązowy. Tak, następny brązowy pstrąg. Nie, jednak nie. Tęczowy, ileś tęczy z boku. Tak, tęczowy pstrąg. Pogoda nam się troszkę poprawiła, przestało padać. Nadal jest trochę zimno. Jest około 10 stopni. Początek kwietnia. Ale sezon się zaczął perfekcyjnie. Wziąłem teraz moją ulubioną muchę na pstrągi. Woolly Burger się nazywa. Najwięcej zawsze złapałem na nie. Zobaczymy, może i tym razem będzie trochę jakieś branie za braniem. Już popołudnie. To niestety nic z nas dzisiaj nie złapał oprócz mnie. Mam nadzieję, że komuś jeszcze się złapie jakaś ryba. O, właśnie. Proszę bardzo. Das właśnie złapał rybę. O, pięknie. Congratulations, Das. Well done. Teraz moja kolej. Wow, 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 wow. Hold on. Jeszcze jest skała, właśnie się zaczepiłem. Straciłem muchę, dzisiaj straciłem ich 5, w tym 4 na drzewie. John, how many flies did you lost it today?
Flies?
Yeah, and 2 of mine.
Oh, yeah.
so 5 together. Zdecydowanie przemieszczamy się tam na sam koniec tego jeziora. Ponoć tam mają jakąś fajną miejscówkę. No teraz zobaczymy. So that is the other spot what you like, guys?
Yeah. Bigger side they call it.
Biggest side they call it.
I took a photo with a map at the hunt so you'll be able to see it.
Okay. Nice, massive place it is. What is on the top there?
That's where one of the rivers comes in. Then there's another river there and another river there.
Ah.
So the lake goes up there, up that leg, and around that mountain, and then goes to a river.
Okay.
And you can go and park by there and fish like you did at Clairwyn.
Yeah, yeah. Zaczęło wiatr, tam w tym miejscu byliśmy trochę bardziej osłonięci od wiatru. O, proszę. Tylko żeśmy przyjechali. John już szczęśliwy, złapał rybę. Brawo. Congratulations, John. Well done. No i proszę, i następnie ma rybę. To się nazywa. Ryby skaczą jedna za drugą. Chłopaki wyciągają rybę za rybę. Teraz moja kolej. So strong. Oh.
You alright?
Yeah. Well, strong fish. Oh. go. Let him go. Płyń, płyń, odpływaj. Płyń, 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 płyń. Papa.
This is more like it. This is what it's like today.
That you're supposed to be from the minute one.
Yeah, that's right.
I got another one. Jesus. There was a strike. Oh my god. Didn't expect that.
I'm gonna have to get a bigger net.
Yeah, me too. Oh my god. I got another one. Oh. She doesn't see mine yet. Oh. That's the goodie. I just landed a minute ago. Oh, oh my god! Whew, monster!
What did I tell you?
Whoa. That is a fish! Oh my god!
We'll have to have a fun.
Oh yes, please. Fish and roll! Yay! Got it! John's got it! Oh, watch him! Watch him! He will be fall off into the water in a minute! Woohoo! Kurczę, wszędzie dookoła góry, cisza, spokój, daleko od głównej drogi. Wielki ten rezerwuar, ponieważ żeby go objechać to trzeba 20 minut spędzić w samochodzie. No ale wierzę chłopakom, że naprawdę jest wielki.
Hello, hello.
Hello everyone. John Clywedog, how did you go?
I did well. I had 4. Wasn't as good as everyone else, but they were all nice fish, and I had good fun.
Yeah, and the absolutely beautiful place. Highly recommended to everyone. It is one of the most beautiful places with lots of fishes on. I had it 8,
8, yeah.
lost it 4, and I mean I lost it. That was right on my feet, and I just lost it. Couldn't land it. Anyway, I had lots of fun. Thank you very much for bringing me here.
No problem,
It
mate.
was
Anytime.
Absolutely beautiful.
And we'll have a go on the boats one day as
Yeah,
well.
well, definitely will.
Yeah.
Cheers, mate. Tide the
Cheers.
lights, everyone.
See you again.